in a part of the country where there's lots of trains? Well, we do. And we're lucky because our grandson Jack is crazy about them. And he's not alone. Lots of people love trains. The reason I think they're fun is because they're always going someplace else, someplace I'm not. But every now and then, we get to go with them to their destination. Trains come in all shapes and sizes, and maybe that's why our fascination with them starts at a very early age. Trains travel all around the country. Some carry goods, while others carry passengers. Some glide through the countryside. Others carry people under the streets. For many, trains are an alternate mode of transportation, an everyday necessity, and occasionally an inconvenience, especially if we're at a crossing and we're late. But for others, when they hear that whistle or see the lights at the crossing start to blink, they feel that little spark of excitement that they felt when they were kids, and they wondered where that train was going. Regardless of your reasons for loving the rails, remember, you'll always be able to find a train because, well, it left its tracks. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And for even more fun tales, please go to our website at www.thefunchasers.com.